Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Salary Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Kostan am roilendi. Christian zalnaindi am nge cost am grace no pun martika nam ye John Puropa this is not good. Am request kote ye shatkra ye pura nasto tori tuma highway orain but still je ye gorib minchanga cost tum toiche.
Nobody has given us a hearing, ever contacted us and listened to our grievances. It is time they take the farmers into confidence. If there has always been floods in Benauli. The only thing is with the roads elevated, it might not have crossed the roads if it was being held in the prior. But floods are there and will be there because we have heavy rains in Goa.
जी मात गायल्या शेत दोन वाटीन डिवायड जालो हाय आनी तेंगे बारीक पासून एक प्रोविजन ना बाबा तें उदक वांयगण जे रोयताय थोडे उदक इस तीस वरपाचें तेंगे बारीक ते डिटेलिंग प्लॅनाक कांयच ना सरकारान एक बारीक तेंगे मागणी आयकुची कितें आहा तें स्टिल्टाचे घालचे आनी म्हाका सुद्दां हो कॉस्ट व्हडलो न्ही.
We are demanding it on stilts. It may be a cost factor, but just because of the cost factor, आमगे life risk घेना काय मग आमी सरकाराक मागणे.
आमगे पंचायतीक रिक्वेस्ट करता की मातशे डिले कर नाका जाती तू बेगीन प्रोसिजर स्टार्ट कर.
So government must immediately stop damaging the paddy fields, do a scientific study as to its impact ecologically, environmentally on agriculture, and then only change the designs by putting the stills as they have done partly in Naveli constituency.
So will you be raising this matter and
I'll try, because you see I'll have to get everybody from my party involved there.